Welcome to the new tutorial. Let's learn how to model floor plan from 2D CAD drawing with Blender. In this tutorial, we will use two add-ons, Archimesh and import AutoCAD DXF format. And the length units will be centimeters. Now, let's start. Press the 7 key and switch to the top view. File. Import. AutoCAD DXF. Enable snaps. Vertex. Measure. This should be 40 centimeters, so we need to scale this drawing. Press A to select everything, press S to scale 0.01. Now it's okay. Select everything again. Object. Convert to mesh. Now select the columns. Press the Tab key to switch to Edit mode. Edge Select mode. Select everything. Press F key to fill face. Press E key and Z key to extrude on the Z-axis. 280. Now press Tab key to go back to Object mode. If the edges looks weird on your model, press N key. View. Change this number. Okay, now same way we will model walls. Switch to Edit mode. Select everything. Fill faces. Extrude on the Z-axis. 85. Extrude again. 150. Extrude one more time. Face Select mode. Hold Shift and select these faces. Right-click. Bridge faces. Now do the same for all door and window gaps. Measure the lengths of the gaps and extrude some faces if there are places that need to be changed. Okay, now switch to the Object mode. Walls and columns are done. Let's model the staircase now. Hide columns and walls. Delete these drawings. We will model the staircase now. Hold Shift plus right-click and move 3D cursor to here. Hold Shift plus A to add a plane mesh. Switch to Edit mode. Press 1 key to switch to Vertex Select mode, then delete these vertices. Move this one to here. Extrude it on the Z-axis, 10 centimeters. Extrude it on the y-axis. Do the same extrusions again. Extrude this one to here and press 3 key to go to the right view. We can continue to make extrusions like this. Or we can select these vertices and duplicate and move them. When we reach the number of steps on the staircase, extrude this one to here and move it. Now the problem is that when we copy and move the vertices, there will be 2 vertices in the same place, so we need to merge them. Select all. Right-click. Merge vertices by distance. Select all and duplicate. Rotate the duplication 180 degrees on the z-axis. Fill edges. Select this vertex and move it on the z-axis. Now, select one of the vertex and press L key to select length. Then fill face. Now, we will make the same extrusions for the stair landing. Fill the edge. Select linked and fill the face. Switch to the face select mode. Extrude. Move. Extrude. Select one of the face, then select all linked faces. Move. Now switch to object mode. We can scale the staircase on the z-axis now. Show columns. Go to the right view. Scale it on the z-axis. Delete the drawing. Show walls. Now we will add doors and windows by using Archimesh add-on. Select the walls and switch to edit mode. Select this face, Shift plus S, cursor to selected. Go back to object mode. Press N key. Create Archimesh. From here we can add elements such as doors and windows. Panel window. We can select different types of models from here and change its parameters. Press 1 to go to the front view. Adjust the dimensions of the window to fit the gap. 140 is okay, but the sill height is 4. So I will make it 136. Select the empty to move the window. Move it 4 centimeters on the z-axis. Now we will copy this window type and place it in the places where the same type is used. Then we will add the different window and door types in the same way that we added this window. That's the result. Thanks for watching.